We give so much importance to our face, treating it with the best skincare products, ranging from cleansers and toners to moisturizers and serums. But what about our hands? They are one of the most used parts of our body and also require a good amount of care to keep them clean, smooth and soft. Hi, I'm Mohana and today I'll be taking you through an entire hand care routine while reviewing some of the most unique and affordable products out there. Starting with clean, dry hands should always be the first step in your hand care routine, whether you're going in for an expensive spa treatment or just putting on your favorite nail polish at home. This beauty product is supposed to be the perfect solution to dry and overworked hands. It's a dual-purpose hand cream that works well as a moisturizer as well as a sanitizer. So let's go ahead and open this beautiful packaging to see what's inside. So what first struck me about this product is that it has a very refreshing lavender and peppermint scent that I hope lasts on my skin for a while. Along with the beautiful packaging, this tube makes the product really travel friendly. Like you would with any other cream, just dot on the moisturizer and thoroughly massage it into your palms, the back of your hands and between your fingers as well. Although I thought the scent was really refreshing at first, it turned out to be more medicinal than fragrant after I had it on my hands for a while. The consistency of the product wasn't what I had expected. It turned out to be more of a gel rather than having a creamier finish, and it didn't hydrate my hands as much. The one benefit of this product is that unlike other sanitizers, it's alcohol-free. If you're someone who enjoys frequently sporting colorful gel manicures or changing up your nail art during the upcoming festive season, a nail hardener is an absolute essential for your nail care kit. It's basically a clear base coat that acts as a protective layer to strengthen your nail bed and keep it healthy. Minimalistic packaging is always a winner with me, and this white bottle with gold accents is sure to find a place on my dressing table. Along with this beautiful packaging, it's also a budget and travel-friendly product. Apply a generous layer of this onto your nails like you would with a regular nail polish and wait for it to dry completely. You can apply this on your toenails as well. Make sure you reapply this every 2 days and say goodbye to weak and brittle nails. This product also contains Jeju green tea and tangerine oil extracts which will make your nails stronger and healthier. Another much needed addition to your nail care routine should be a cuticle oil. This product almost always gets overlooked but is in fact essential to hydrate and moisturize the nail and cuticle area. This cuticle oil has a unique roll-on ball applicator unlike others that I've seen that come in tubes or nail polish bottles. This makes it really easy to use and mess-free. This product is also incredibly budget-friendly and can be tossed into your bag and applied whenever necessary. So go in with this cuticle oil all over your nail bed and cuticles with clean dry hands or right after a manicure. If you have extremely dry cuticles like me, then apply a thin layer of this every night and do this religiously if you want to see a difference. So being a herbal oil, this is free of all chemicals and toxins, making it perfect for sensitive skin. This oil fixes dry and cracked nails and repairs and protects your cuticles. This product also contains jojoba oil, which softens the nail plate and has antifungal properties. It's time to stop making excuses for your hands. Now that we've given you everything you need to know to keep your hands soft, clean and beautiful, it's time to invest in these affordable products. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.